So, applying grout is our task for today. And there's tools and there's all kinds of things people use to do this. On a floor, it's one thing. I'm just going to use my hands, basically. Just fill it up with mortar. I got the blue tape just to protect my wall a little bit. And there's a lot of imperfections. Nothing's straight, nothing's flat. So just trying to make the best of it here. Yeah, away we go. So if you've never done grout before, what you do is you put it on the wall, as you can see, and then using a wet sponge, wipe it off. And of course, because this is slate tile, it wants to stick really good to it. Normal porcelain, this stuff comes right off. Not a very big deal, but with slate, all the holes and crevices in the slate want to pick up the grout. The grout's basically just mortar, so in here. I'm not crazy worried about getting it all off. They're kind of the same color, and this is a bunkhouse. It's not about perfection. And there's going to be a couple little spots where I'm going to have to repaint the wall. That's alright. Let's pretty much just wipe it. And again, if this was a tile floor, you're a lot more particular about how you're doing it and how much is getting in there and everything else. So I'm not critically worried about getting every one of those little tiny spots off and all of that. I just need to fill up the areas. Alright, this is where clean water comes in. As you can see, I keep wiping with the same sponge. There's still residue in it. You can't get rid of it. So you wring out real good, and then just use a nice clean sponge.